showing up on your charts. Now take a look at far upper left monthly chart of VIX. Remember that this green oval came onto the chart before the VIX spike. In August, when we wrote an article in the street calling for an explosion in volatility, we put this green oval on, and we put this green oval on because the setup looked like the green oval on the left. And I drew that correlation. Yellow box containing a bunch of pink oval spikes, consolidation, explosion in volatility. Yellow box containing a bunch of pink oval spikes, a consolidation, and we forecast an explosion in volatility. Does it always happen exactly the same? No, of course not. But it is interesting. And the volatility is not over. And as we saw on the big volatility day of August, VIX reached 10 standard deviations above the 200-day moving average. Of course, it went through the 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 standard deviations all in one day, which caused us to write and talk about and narrate and explain why a bounce was due, and it should be a sharp corrective bounce. That we've seen, and look what's happened to volatility since. Down from 53 to the current 23. And at the time of this big bar, or at least this second bar, we forecast that 22 plus or minus 2 would be seen. The lowest we've seen since then is 21, and here we are in the 22s. So we were able to use DSE to forecast a spike up in volatility. When we got the spike, we used the DSE to forecast not only a reduction in volatility, but to the price zone that VIX has entered, 22 plus or minus 2. And we actually put this yellow box here. Expand this and make it bigger. We put this box here because we said that there's a good chance VIX might come all the way down to the yellow box. The yellow box fills the gap left on Friday, August 21st. This was Friday, and this was Monday. And we haven't gotten into the gap, but we almost touched it on that day, September 9th, last Wednesday. What's next? This is probably next. Another sharp move, volatility, which typically means another sharp decline in stocks.